Is the revive option not working in Block Blast? Here's how to fix it in seconds. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Revive usually requires watching an ad, so you need to be online. Next, open your App Store or Play Store and check if Block Blast needs an update. An outdated version may block Revive features. If that doesn't help, go to your phone's settings, find Block Blast under Apps, and clear the cache. This refreshes game functions without deleting your progress. Still not working? Open the game, go to Settings, and tap the replay button. Then try playing again and triggering Revive. It often resets the feature, that's it. With these steps, Revive should work again. You're watching the RapidGuide channel. Follow for more real fixes that actually help.